Bullish Algorand cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 81 cents and $1.55 by 2030. Market experts accept ALGO could reach 63 cents by 2025. Bearish Algorand market cost expectation for 2023 is 14 cents. Algorand presentation. The Algorand digital currency has experienced issues ascending past its ICO value since its commencement in 2019, when the blockchain collaborated with Coinbanks to foster El Salvador's cryptographic money framework. The cost of ALGO flooded in September 2021. Despite the fact that it has in this way lost most of these additions, experts and sites that estimate costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparative levels. What follows for the altcoin, then? We should look at the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and analyze its cost advancement. What is Algorand? The Algorand blockchain, which expects to answer the conundrum of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves ALGO as its local cash. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks by means of an agreement method called unadulterated confirmation of stake. How much ALGO a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval council are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Macaulay of the Massachusetts Establishment of Innovation in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood cash appeared in June 2019. The ALGO coin cost in a split second fell a day after presentation. Algorand major examination. In June 2019, ALGO sent off its underlying coin offering with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the principal day of exchange. This was just the beginning, as the value continued to decline throughout the following months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for different causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic stock that would be conveyed step by step. Algorand said that 3 billion ALGO will be sold at public sale throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Notwithstanding the elevated degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the monstrous measure of ALGO and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more expected. Consider the breakdown of the value of ALGO's cash was private financial backers. Financial backers bought ALGO through confidential situation adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16, permitting individual financial backers to make huge increases. Previous Algorand establishment tasks boss Chen Fengfeng addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter guaranteed that early supporters had presented the drive to extreme dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as per worldwide coin exploration. Algorand specialized investigation. Subsequent to being added to Coinbase, the cost of ALGO's cash expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, ALGO attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, regardless of a couple of increments. The cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year, the token supported this development, in the end hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of ALGO, various elements could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins consolidate the consistent quality of government-issued money with the decentralized attributes of digital currency. Algorand has arisen as a serious option for stablecoin backers since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a coordinated effort with the momentary currency market exchanging stage Instamatch worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand dealt with Algorand is as of now worth 18 cents USD. ALGO has moved 2.61% as of now with an exchanging volume of $37,610,339. Algorand is as of now positioned 42 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,310,728,565 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Algorand market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The ALGO cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to 27 cents. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 25 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. ALGO is supposed to have a base worth of 21 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Algorand ALGO cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a LGO will before long outperform 45 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the ALGO's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ALGO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 36 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 40 cents. Algorand value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 63 cents and ALGO might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ALGO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 58 cents and a low of 54 cents in 2025. Algorand value expectation 2026. In the event that Algorand effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the ALGO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ALGO will be green in 2026. The ALGO is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 81 cents, with a base cost of 72 cents and a typical cost of 76 cents. Algorand value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ALGO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 94 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 90 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ALGO has a greatest value worth of $1. Algorand value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.13. In the event that LGO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1.18. Neglecting to accumulate the help ALGO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.09. Algorand value expectation 2029. While ALGO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.27 and a yearly cost close above $1.36 in 2029. Algorand value forecast 2030. By 2030, Algorand will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.46 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.55, averaging out at $1.49. Algorand value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ALGO cost in 2031 is projected to be $1.78 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $1.71. And it ought to be noticed that the cost of the token has outperformed